So taking this in pieces, we have this front side and back side that are the same. And that is 10 times 5 for the area of the front, which is 50. And then times 2, which is 100. And then we have the top and the bottom, which is 8 by 5, which equals 40, and then there's 2 of them, so 40 times 2 is 80. And then finally, we have this side here, and then there's another side in there as well, which is 10 by 8. So we have 10 times 8, which is 80, and then times 2 is 160. So we add all these numbers together, and you get 340, and that is your answer.